All right, guys, here is the language review for Monday, and I apologize. I realized this is the one from last week, but we were kind of hasty with getting work ready for you guys for this week, and so my mistake. Still great practice. We didn't go over all the answers of this last week, so if you still have your one from last week, you can check your answers now. So Monday's list of words, we're seeing a lot of words with the root script and scrib, as well as dict. So those are all the roots that mean writing and speaking. So Monday asks you which one means to say or write details about something or someone. So that would be describe, which has the scrib, write root, but we also use the word describe to talk about speaking details about someone or something. Which part of speech is underlined? Oops, this is an interjection because it's followed by a comma, the first word in the sentence, and it is a reaction to something. The climb to the top of Mount Everest was challenging. We're looking for an antonym for challenging. Simple would have worked. Easy would have also worked. Any word that means the opposite of challenging. Is this a simile or metaphor, and what does it mean? She is a giant compared to the other players. This would be a metaphor because we're not seeing the words like or as, but it is comparing the girl to a giant. So we're thinking this means that she is tall. She's a lot bigger than the other players. Giants are typically described as tall, so we're going to go taller than the other players would be the best meaning of this metaphor. Expand the sentence by adding a where detail. Think of prepositions. Prepositions tell how, where, or when something happened. So we're thinking of prepositions that tell where, thinking like under, in, above, on, those kind of prepositions. The tiger slept. So the tiger slept, and of course you're going to have maybe different words for this, or phrases, prepositional phrases. The tiger slept. I'm going to say under the shady tree. So under would be my preposition that I use there to tell where. And the last one, correct the sentence by adding commas. Jeffrey's backpack had paper, commas, notebook, paper, comma, notebooks, comma, and pencils inside it. Without the commas, it would read like Jeffrey's backpack had paper notebooks, which is a very odd way to describe a notebook because most notebooks are paper. So you separate because they are listing items: paper, comma, notebooks, comma, and pencils. There are the answers to Monday's language review.